All right, we're going to look at this logic. Problem 1. Find A, B, C, D given the following facts. Notice that A is the smallest value. Whatever A is, let's pretend A is I don't care, 11. Let's go 6. It doesn't matter. Let's say he's 6. If he's 6, then you can figure the others out, but the 6 will be the same for every A in it. Same as if B is 15, every B will be 15 in the problem. Okay, that should be pretty straightforward. Problem 2. This one is very simple. Okay? It's not simple to find the answer. It's easy to make, but here's how it works. Cross out 16 of the letters. So let's say I made some word, I am old. All I did is I took that straight across, I am old, and I hit it by putting like T, A, L, J, P, O, T. Now it's hidden. You got to come in and cross out these letters M. There, you crossed out what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters to make the statement, I am old. So you're taking this guy and you got to cross out 16. So what you need to do is you need to look in here and see if you can find certain words. That's how you approach this. These are very difficult, okay? But that's how you approach it. You try to find words. Like I see the word O-U-T. Maybe I have the word out in there. I don't know. Who knows? I see, well, you can just keep looking. I see the word lost, but I don't think lost is, I probably would have some cross out in there before that. All right, the next one should be straightforward. You've got to use these numbers to make all rows and columns add up to 60. This is a row, so I need that to add up to 60. This is a column, so I need it to add up to 60. And you have to use these numbers. So you got to use a 0 twice. You can't make up your own numbers. Problem 4. The key here is, remember, every X is the same. So maybe it's 2, 2, 2, 2, and Y is maybe 7, 7, 7. I don't know. But the key is X, Y, Z. When you add them together, it's going to give you back that Z value. Don't forget, if that added up, let's say to 16, meaning he was a 6 and this was a 6, you got to remember to carry your 1. Okay. And whatever number this is, he's out here in the final answer. Problem 5. You're going to miss this one. I would spend 30 minutes. It says, how many triangles do you see? Well, if there to there to there is a triangle, right? And there to there to there, that's easy. But what about the fact that right here's one? There's a bunch. We got to be very careful with how we do this. So the best way to do this is if you put dots everywhere and label them, let A, B, C, D, and maybe I say, hey, from A to B to C is 1, then A to B to D is 1, and then I exhaust A to all its places. Then maybe I start with B, making sure that I don't repeat. This is a tough one. This is going to take some time. This is a problem where we just have to make sure that 1 through 8 that do not touch horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. So if I put the 1 here, 2 can't go here, 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 here. If I put the 1 right here, well, then 2 can't go here, 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 because that 1 is touching those spots. And you got to put the numbers 1 through 8 in, so it's a perfect nobody mat is touching. So when I look at 1, I need 2 far away. When I look at 2, I need 3 far away. Right? Kids usually like that problem. 7, I got to come in here and put in 1 plus sign and 2 minus signs. So I might be like, oh, put a minus here, a plus here, and a plus here. Does 123 minus 4, excuse me, I needed 2 minuses. 123 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6,709 give you 100? No. All you're going to do, doesn't have to be anything tricky. There's no parentheses or this, that. It's just simply place the subtraction signs in there. If I put the plus sign here, that means I'm dealing with the number 12. If I put it here, then I have 123. Okay. 2 minus signs, 1 plus sign. This one, there's an explanation to. We have seen this before. We have done this one before. This one is going to be hard. Use the numbers 1 through 16, making each adjacent pair vertically or horizontally add up to a prime number. Here are your primes you'll be using: 2, 3, 5, 7. So when I look at this, you'll notice 1 plus 6 is 7, which is prime. 7 plus 6 is 13, which is prime. So if this is a 1, I cannot put a 5 here, because then 1 and 5 make the number 6 when they add together, and that's not prime. So you got to make sure that if 1 is here, there adds to prime, there adds to prime, and there adds to prime. Now, it just says vertically and horizontally. You don't have to worry about diagonals. Another tough problem. This is one that I got off of, I noticed it on, it was a Facebook problem, if I recall. The explanation's there, so I think you'll be okay. Hopefully this helps. These are due next week. The date's on there, I think the 17th. Good luck. Do them by yourself. 30 minutes and you can quit. You get full credit as long as you're showing me some scratch work. On this problem 10 here, I need to see a bunch of numbers. I need to see that you're doing things.